I am Victor Huerta, and on today's real estate show, hey, how hot is the Phoenix real estate market? Well, my friends, the Phoenix real estate market is on fire for January of 2020. So I am going to do it again, is break it all down for you on the Phoenix housing market, give you the update for January 2020 because the numbers are out. And again, the Phoenix real estate market is on fire. So we're going to compare January of 2019 to January of 2020. Going to break it down for you with the Cromford report, of course, with Tina Tambor's data from the ASU and the Cromford report. Give you all the Phoenix housing numbers so you can make a decision on what you guys want to do. It's just like really on fire here, like crazy hot. Once again, my name is Victor Huerta, local real estate agent here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're going to break down the Phoenix housing market. But do us a favor, help our channel grow, help our channel be seen by clicking that subscribe button and that bell right below so you can get notified when we drop our latest video. I mean, we are just bringing some home buyer, home seller, the Phoenix real estate market update, some investment tips as well. So you can be mindful when you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in some real estate. So enough of that and the intro. Let's get right into the housing market numbers. I am going to be sharing my tablet screen with a PDF document. You will hear me, you will see some numbers. So let's get into the overall housing market. And then on the latest videos coming up, I am going to break it down for buyers and sellers because you need to be in the know. Okay, my friends, so on the screen you see right here is the Phoenix Metro residential real estate annual changes from January 9th of 2019 to January 9th of 2020. Now, let's get right into the housing numbers here. As you can see, is I will be talking and giving you some input as well. So to start off, guys, is the Phoenix real estate market is crazy on fire, okay? I'm not going to kid you not. We have low inventory and high demand. So let's get into these numbers. Remember, we're comparing January of 2019 to January of 2020. So we're going to start right here with active listings for sale. I'm going to do a little highlight here. 12,303. That is how many active listings for sale that we have here in Maricopa and Pinal County. Now we are a minus a 31.9%. Guys, we haven't seen these numbers this low since like 2005, and I believe the 2005 numbers were about 9,000. Okay, 9,000 in inventory. So you can see it's almost repeating 2005, but without a housing market crash here in Phoenix. That is what's being said here with the Cromford report. So let's go to listings under contract. We are right here in the middle. 17.6%. So pretty much if you are thinking of selling your house, you are gonna get an offer, okay? You are gonna sell your house quickly. There's only 4 key items to remember is where will you go? You have to figure out where you're gonna go because if you put your house on the market and it's gonna get sold and you have no place to go, you're gonna be in some trouble, okay? Then it comes down to price, condition, availability, how your house is being shown on certain days, times, etc., how many restrictions you have, and digital marketing, just like this video, okay? Now let's go into monthly sales price, $290,000. That is up 11%. So if you have not seen all my Phoenix updates videos for the market updates, you're missing out, okay? It looks like each month it is going up plus 5% as far as price. So if you're waiting on the sidelines to buy, you're missing out on the appreciation. I'm just keeping it real like we always do in this channel. A little Snoop Dogg there. Closed sales, total monthly sales, 7,077, up 16.9%. And that reflects the contracts, listings under contract right there. Okay, it's kind of reflection. So listing success rate. We are right here, my friends, right here in the middle. Okay, let me redo that because that is some ugly markup right there. So we are right now at 81.6%. Sorry. So you have an 81.6% chance of selling your house if you put it on the market. As you can see, January 2019 was 74.3% and 75.9% in January 2018. Now, let's get into the big thing. The big kahuna right there, right in the middle of the screen, months of supply, okay? 2.1 months. That means that if no more houses came on the market, we would sell out in 2.1 months, my friends. 2.1 months, okay? No more inventory, nobody could buy a house, so that's where we're at, okay? A balanced market is at 6 months, okay? We are in a seller's market. Anything below 3 months is a seller's market. At or equal to 6 months is a neutral market. Anything above that is a buyer's market. So if you're selling your house, okay, you have the bread, okay, you can charge as much as you want for the bread, depending on how your house is situated, price, condition, availability, digital marketing. Buyers, if you like that house, you must go all in, okay? If you're trying to get a deal, it is not in Arizona, you must go elsewhere. There are no deals in Arizona right now. You still can get some seller concessions. You can still get a little small price reduction during the home inspection period. Okay, we talk about that on another video. But if you're looking for a deal, a steal, kid you not, you're in the wrong market. So that is what is going on for the overall housing market in Phoenix. That is the math. All I can say, my friends, is that sellers are running the show. They've pretty much been running the show almost all year. If you're looking to buy a house, okay, day one it goes on the market, or if you have a real estate agent who has some inventory that hasn't hit the market yet, I suggest you go all in on your offer, okay? Interest rates are still in the low 3s, mid 3s, mid 4s, okay? So it kind of counterbalances the pricing. So, but if you're wanting to buy a house right now, you got to go forward, okay? If you really like the house, we're doing sight unseen offers to be the first ones in, and then we go look at that house that day after people get out of work, my clients get out of work, or when they're flying in from out of state, Portland, California, Denver. A lot of people are just moving here to Arizona just because of the weather and the growth of Phoenix, Arizona. But recap, real quick. Let's do the recap, and I'm gonna give you the main screen so you don't see me anymore, is active listings for sale. 12,303, that is a negative 31.9%. Listings under contract, 17.6. Monthly sales price, 290,000. It just continues to go up. There's the listing success rate. You have an 81.6% chance of selling your house with a 2.1 month supply. Now, I'm going to break down the other videos for home buyers and home sellers. The home buyers is pretty long, okay? So I'm shooting another video with that. Home sellers is pretty straightforward. It's gonna be a real short video for if you're thinking about selling your house. Now, as always, we're bringing nothing but the heat on this channel for home buyers, home seller tips, investment tips, and the Phoenix housing market, so you can be mindful when you're making that sound decision. That's right, you gotta decide. You have to decide if you wanna buy when you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in some real estate. So do us a favor. If you have not done so, click that subscribe button, click that bell to get notified when we drop the latest video. If you've seen those other videos up here to the right or to the left, those are other housing market videos, some home buyer tips and some home seller tips. You can click those to get, some tips on buying and selling your house. As always, we're bringing nothing but value. So we hope you enjoy this video. Hey, let me know, a comment below. What do you think about the housing market? Is it going to crash here in Phoenix, Arizona? I mean, there's some red flags in Florida, California, Denver, and I think it's Washington as well. So let me know where you reside, and let me know down below in the comments, what do you think the housing market is going to do? Especially because we got the election coming in. We got that election. Anyways, Victor Huerta, local real estate agent here in Arizona. Much love, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.